Maybe you've wondered in the past year whether there's an AI that I can give a room or an interior space to, and it will intelligently furnish it for me. And I can assign any material I want to it, and it will deliver the image to me. Well, this is the AI that we're going to get to know in this video. All you need to do is give it a raw render of an unfurnished interior space. Based on your needs, it will arrange the furniture for you and can even adjust the camera angle. It can also set the materials and change them according to your requirements. And if you want to work with this AI, in the first step, you need to upload your desired image for it. Okay, I've uploaded my desired image here, and now all I have to do is hover over this option and click Start Here. We wait for this dialog box to open. In this dialog box that appears, you can talk to the AI. It also gives you some suggestions that you can choose one of these suggestions, or you can go to the other mode and write your own prompt for it. You can write it in Persian as well, but of course it's better to write it in English. Earlier, I asked ChatGPT to write a prompt for me. To write it, so that I could turn this space into, for example, a bedroom for a young couple with a double bed in it, and also to cover the windows with curtains. It should also consider harmonious colors and change the flooring to 80 by 80 ceramic or stone tiles. So it thoughtfully gave me a prompt. I will carefully copy this particular prompt, and then from there I will proceed to paste it right here in this designated section. After successfully pasting it, I will then send it off so that it can actually diligently do all the necessary work for us. We wait a few moments. Okay, as you can see, I can click on Continue here to proceed on it. Based on the explanations, well, I confirm the details for it. It also says here that it's going to deduct 1 credit from us. Note that I'm using it completely for free. It gives me 5 credits when I register. I select Yes and send it here to confirm. Well, as you can see, it has created this image for me, completely furnished. With very harmonious and beautiful colors, it has completely covered this area for me. It even turned my shoes into stone, and everything is neat and okay. Just one thing to note is this angle here, where there's this diagonal error. I want to remove this diagonal error. If I want to do this, well, naturally, if you download it, it will have this diagonal error, but if you want to remove it, you can use other AI tools. For example, I can use LMRNA and remove these errors. So I prepare a prompt from the ChatGPT website and give it to LMRNA so that it can actually remove this diagonal error from the image. As you can see, I went to the LMRNA website and uploaded the image here. The diagonal lines are clearly present on it, just like in the original image. It's the same previous image, and here I wrote the desired prompt for it. And as you can see, it performed this task using 2 different AIs. And for example, I can select this one. Now I open this, and as you can see, it's very beautiful. The diagonal line has been completely removed. Okay, let's say this is the watermark in the corner. We don't have any problem with that. And you can download this and use it without that diagonal line. If you found this tutorial interesting and don't want to miss the next one, be sure to subscribe so that as soon as a brand new tutorial just comes out, and you can easily access it now.